I'll just come back with the next. You can go everywhere with this slide and it's looking very awesome. I just really love this one. Cute, na? Yeah, I've changed to black. That I got black one. So now we'll go for the fourth, no, third one. Yes, third one. We'll go to the third one. So I'll just plug it out everything, and what we'll do, I was thinking what I have to do next because I was just doing the randoms. So yeah, I got it. The high ponytail. And I'm making it rough. I'm not doing a clear, that it should not be a clear one. It should be rough. That looks very, very, very good in that. Through the rubber band. Oh god, I think it's slipping. Now what to do? Okay. I'm sorry, actually I did that, but again I have to do that thing for the best thing. So yes, good to go. Easy to go, and anyone can do this. I really love this one. Actually, I love all the ones. I think this is fourth one. This is the fourth one, and this is the last. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. I'm doing the side partition. I'll leave that side braid. We'll braid it later. So first I'll taking the whole hair one side and just tying with my hairband. Yes, and now what I'll do, the side braid, collecting all the hairs जो वहाँ पे. Yeah, sorry guys, अगर आप लोग को लग रहा होगा मैं हिंदी में भी बोल दूँगी. Actually it's used to, so it's not a worry about it. So what I'll do, हम लोग यहाँ पे braid बनाएंगे. We'll do the braiding over here till the end. I did till the neck partition. I was checking in between. No worry. So is this a braiding? I did only half to show you guys and how it will look. Why it is not coming yaar? Yes, now it is good. Oops, technical bhi. Oh no. Yes, I'll plug it. I'll plug it with another one. The side se nikal gaya. Oh gosh. I'll return it and I'll plug it into that rubber band. Yes, now it's looking good. See how cute it is looking. The hairs are looking very good. Now the last one. Last one, I was thinking क्या करूँ मैं? Guys, actually I was not getting any idea of what I should do. So what I did is, I just opened it for the free as we always do in that. Yay! I hope guys you loved all the styles, and please like and share to my channel and do subscribe to my channel. So till then, bye bye, take care, love you.